Hi everybody, it is time to draw the winner of my 1K sweepstakes giveaway, which is a $35 Amazon gift card, and as a bonus, if you want it, this folio that I made. And you can see the making of this. I'll put a iCard up there. You can watch the video if you'd like to see me making it. And I have all of the qualifying names written down and put into this little antique ironstone bowl that belonged to my mama. I love this little bowl, so I thought it was kind of fitting. And I prettied up my desk for you all, so I don't have the usual arty mess. So let's get right to it. I'm going to mix these all up. I'm going to shake them up. And I'm not looking, I'm reaching for one name. You ready? Drum roll. And it is STACEY McGee. Congratulations, STACEY. What I need from you is your email address, and if you want the folio, I will need a postal address as well. I know that you commented, so I will just comment in a little while underneath your comment on the giveaway video with my email address. And then you can just email me. That way I'll have your address, and in the email you can send me your mailing address for this. The gift card will be an e-gift card, so I will get that set up and emailed to you. So once again, congratulations, and more importantly, thank you everybody, not just those of you who decided to enter the giveaway, but all of you who have subscribed to my channel over the last year and a half. I think I've been on YouTube, helped me get to 1K. I have passed that. I think I'm at 1120 right now. So to my new subscribers, thank you so much. And I just want to also let you all know that I have started a Patreon account. So if you are interested in checking that out, I will put a link in the description box below so that you can see the different levels of benefits that I have set up over there for you. And if you choose to become a patron, thank you in advance. And I think it'll be a fun way to have a more close-knit community of people who share common interests and want to support one another. It will also, I hope, enable me to continue to buy and replenish my art supplies so I can continue to make these free videos here on YouTube, and also to create new things for my patrons over on Patreon. So hopefully it will kill two birds with one stone, to quote a proverb. Not sure I like that one, but you know what I mean. So that's it, keeping this real short. I think I will probably do another process video later today and get that up maybe tomorrow. But I just wanted to keep my promise and keep this giveaway on time and not keep you waiting. So congratulations again to STACEY. Thank you again to everybody else who entered. And in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.